Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan Versa and today I will show you P0118 ECT sensor circuit, engine coolant temperature sensor circuit, location and how much voltage came there in ECT sensor. I will show you. Here is the engine room and you can see here ECT sensor came here. This one, engine coolant temperature sensor, this one, see, here is one filter cover you have to remove, and then you find this ECT sensor. So remove wire and check when ignition on, in there is came in 5 volt. Okay, so you have two multimeter, you have one multimeter like this and set with the voltage, then minus wire put like this, plus wire, one pin like this goes inside. We see how much volt, 4.79, that means 5 volt. This is perfect, see. And another wire came ground, so fix positive wire like this and minus, and check another wire, see, battery voltage is there 12 volt, that means this is ground wire, perfect, and this one for voltage. Okay, see, green wire for voltage and this red wire body ground. Okay, thank you.